Hey, my lovelies. So this was requested to do, so I'm going to be doing a video for you today. It's only going to be a short one, hence why I'm doing it. But I hope this helps. So basically, what I'm looking at today, what I'm going to be showing you today, is how to do borders. So this has been something that I've seen quite a bit as well, outside of obviously the academy. So yeah, let's just get started. So there's obviously various types of borders you can do. You've got the black ones, you've got the white ones, you've got, yeah, there's so many. So I'll just go through a few of them with you. I do have a PSD border or a border PSD, so I'll upload that as well if you guys need it. But essentially what you want to do is you want to open your edit, or you've made an edit. I'm just going to use this one because this is the only unedited edit that I have. Well, it's a manic, but it's the same thing. I'll just flatten that down. So, like I say, you've got various different types of borders. So if you click on this little plus sign down here, that'll give you a new layer or controller new. The most simplest border that you can get, which is like the black border, if that makes sense. You want to go up here, you want to go to your marquee tool, you want to select the area that you don't want a border, and then you're going to right click on it, click inverse. And the reason why we made this layer is so then when you get your paint bucket and you paint them, I don't think that's black, is it? Yeah, it is. It will only go on that layer, not your actual layer. And then if you click on the marquee again and click anywhere, that will remove the outline saves your border. So that's the basic black one. Obviously you can invert it to make it white if you wanted a white border, and vice versa, or you can just use your paint bucket, and say you wanted a colour that was on the dress or something, or your edit, you can also obviously use that colour. So that's one option. The other option you've got, again, create a new layer, is obviously the white one that I think you guys might have seen a few times, like this one. So it's like a black or white border. So you literally select the whole thing, right click, stroke, and I usually say about 35 and white, and click OK. And that's your white border. You can obviously change that. So if you wanted it like overlaid, like that, that's overlay, or you can have it soft light, or you can even make it like difference and so forth. So you can play around with these options that are over here. Obviously, if you make it inverted, it will be darker. But you can overlay. Just remember that difference and or overlay, yeah, difference and exclusion don't work. So yeah, with dark colours. So just remember that obviously it's mainly going to be overlay or it's going to be soft light. But that's that border as well. If you want to do angled borders, if you click the plus, and if you click on your lasso tool and go polygonal lasso, if you click the corner and drag it down, obviously how steep you want your angle. So if I go there, do like a little triangle, select the colour that you want, click on make sure you paint it on the layer, and there's one angle, and then just press Control and J to duplicate it. Obviously right click and duplicate wherever it is there. Press Control and T to transform, right click and rotate to 180, drag it down for the bottom, and there's your angled border. So I hope that one makes sense, and obviously if you want to invert it, you can invert it. There is also another one that you can do, which is like the inline, or I say inline, it's basically like in this, you haven't got a full border, but it's an inline. So again, you get your marquee tool, you draw your square, you go to stroke, you press 1, maybe even 2, you could go 3, depending on how thick you want it. So if I say 2, that'll give you that style, and obviously again you can overlay if you wanted to, or just keep it dark, normal, and obviously black and white, or use your paint bucket and change it a different colour, like so. So yeah, that's how you essentially do borders. If you're looking at like the dotted tool or the dotted ones and stuff like that, that's usually a template. If you want the rounded ones that we used to do, that was really popular once upon a time on Role Player, it was like the curved borders. You would do your border as normal. So I'm just going to stroke this through 35. You would then get the elliptical marquee. You would select your area. I've done that the wrong way around. think you can delete it. Is that one? No, I'm not. I'm trying to remember what one I'm looking for now. I haven't done one of these ones for such a long time because people don't use them anymore. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, I can't find the one I'm looking for, so I'll just carry on. And I remembered how you do it. So you draw a circle, you've done your outline, you draw your circle on this side, you move it over, click inverse. I think it's probably going to paint all of it though, but you would click that bit there, or rather than using your paint tool, I would just use your brush and go in like that. It's not the best circular one, is it? Let's do that again. There you go, that's better. Inverse, brush, curve. Oh, I've gone too far. You can obviously always remove the little bits if you need to. And then if you duplicate that again and click 180, you've got that corner. And obviously if you then flatten that down or get rid of your base layer, click visible. And if you press Control and then T and do flip horizontal, it will flip the sides. I noticed that corner there isn't really the best, or that one, but you get the idea. So that's some various options for you. I will save this as a PSD, so you've got some more templates to use. But yeah, that's essentially how you do it. Any questions, do let me know. And yeah, I will see you guys. Hopefully I'll speak to you all properly and start re-recording or carry on recording my videos for the enhanced edits. That will be uploaded very shortly, or if not, over the next day, or today rather. I will be back properly hopefully from Tuesday after my hospital appointments. So yeah, thank you for the love and I'll see you guys soon.